All right. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and everything in between. This is a short tutorial to show you how to adjust the settings in your browser so that you can view your textbook for your class. So I'm at the landing page in the parenting class, though if this is being watched by a student for child development, this is also going to work for you. First things first, I am in the Firefox browser. So on your end right now, you can pause if you need to. I will give some wait time. Open up your Firefox browser. Okay, you can always pause if you need more time. But I'm going to show you two ways. We need to get into your internet options or your browser options for Firefox. So along the right side here, up in your toolbar, you will see that there are three lines that will open up a menu. You can select Options from here, or if you have your menu visible at the top along on the left side, you can go to Tools and Options. Either way will work. So again, I will show you that again. Over here on the right side, select Options, or go up to your Tools menu and select Options. When you do that, you want to select the Applications tab at the top, and then you will scroll down until you find Portable Document Format, or PDF, which is what PDF stands for. I forget what the default is that you will see when you are first doing this, but you will want to click on that and select Use Adobe Acrobat in Firefox. And then you can click OK. I will show you that once again. We've gone over to our Internet options. We've selected Applications at the top, and we have scrolled down to Portable Document Format, or PDF, and we've selected Use Adobe Acrobat in Firefox. And then we will click OK. After that, you are good to go. So I will give some wait time, or you can pause the video if you are still working on this. Again, this is in the Firefox browser. Back in the course, in our course news, we will scroll down and we will go down to the developing child. And for the first time accessing your book, you will need to enter in this code. After that, you will not need to enter in the whole code every time. So right now, get out a scratch paper and pen, pencil, crayon, marker, and I will recite the code. Write this down. It will make it a lot easier to when you need to enter it. Those will be all capital letters. F9 A 0 D 8 A 5 C. So just double check what I've recited to you and what you see on the screen and what you wrote down. And when you are ready, you will click on your end, you will click on the developing child. A new tab will open and you will take that code and you will start typing it in. Now, the very first time doing this, you will need to enter in the whole code. As you can see, the code is already showing on my end is because I've already accessed the book, and this is what will happen when you go into the textbook in the future. You will just need to type in the F and the rest will pop up. You select it and click Submit. Now, if you get a weird tab that says page cannot be displayed or there's an error, close that tab and go back in and try again. So I'll give some wait time. Depending on your internet connection, your book should load relatively fast, but in case it is still loading, pause this recording. And then here is your textbook. Along the left side is your table of contents. Each time you click on a plus sign, it will expand and show you more that is in there. So we click on table of contents or the plus sign, and it will expand to show you all the units in the book. We are going to be getting into Unit 2 for this example and for many of our lessons coming up. Click on the plus sign, and it will show you all the chapters. So for this demonstration, we're going to get into Chapter 6. We click on the plus sign, and it will expand to show us all the sections within Chapter 6. You click on the section, and it will jump right to the page of the book. At the bottom, you can see the page number. So every time you see a page number in a lesson or an assignment, this is what it is referring to. If the page number that you need is lower or higher, you can navigate using the arrows. So I don't need page 164, I need page 166. And just use the arrows to go back and forth. So again, you can see at the bottom. But you may say, hey, Mrs. Minnick, that's pretty small. I can barely see that. If you go up here to the top to the plus sign, you click on the plus sign, and it will enlarge the print. So again, then you can read and see things much easier. If you have any further problems or questions accessing your textbook or navigating your textbook, please let me know. Thanks. I hope this helped.